female humanoid robot offers a new ability that will shock you. Humanoid robots are set to revolutionize the future. With their human-like appearance and superior efficiency, these robots are capable of doing everything from household chores and office tasks to complex industrial work. What makes them even more impressive is their advanced AI, allowing them to mimic human emotions and gestures, making interactions feel more natural. Many countries are developing female humanoid robots that are not only smart, but also incredibly beautiful, with communication abilities that surpass human standards. Today we're going to dive into a groundbreaking ability of female humanoid robots that will leave you amazed. Imagine a robot that not only mimics humans, but also performs biological functions. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that technology is actually working towards making this a reality? Yes, you heard that right. Scientists are exploring the possibility of robots capable of giving birth. And when it comes to robotics, Japan has a special connection. The country is advancing in robotics at such a rapid pace that, in the future, it might rely heavily on robots for everyday tasks. But have you ever wondered why? One major reason could be the rising issue of loneliness. Japan is facing a declining birth rate, and its young population is shrinking, leaving many elderly people living alone. Traditional relationships are becoming harder to maintain as people get busier with work and social connections fade. In response, developers have introduced robots designed not just for practical tasks, but also for companionship, like advanced AI-powered machines and even lifelike robots that provide emotional support. The first remarkable appearance of a robot in the context of human companionship happened in 2016. A 61-year-old Japanese businessman named Shinji Nakajima made headlines when he chose a sex doll robot over his wife for intimacy. Despite having a family, a wife, and 2 sons, he preferred the company of a robot to fill the void of loneliness that, according to him, no one else could. This story raises an important question. What does it mean for humanity when people start depending on robots, not just for practical tasks, but even for emotional satisfaction? As technology advances, robots are becoming more than just machines. They're turning into companions, emotional support systems, and even substitutes for real human relationships. What do you think? Are we crossing a line, or is this just the next step in our technological journey? In the same context, let's take a look at some advanced AI female humanoid robots developed by Hiroshi Ishiguro from Osaka University. One of his most groundbreaking creations is Geminoid F, a robot that blurs the line between humans and machines by flawlessly mimicking human facial expressions, including smiles, frowns, sadness, and more. Unlike many high-end robots, Geminoid F is relatively affordable, costing around $110,000, which is considered inexpensive in the world of advanced robotics. But that's not all. Ishiguro's replica Q1 takes things even further, surpassing Geminoid in its ability to exhibit human-like characteristics. With soft silicone skin and sophisticated sensors, Replica Q1 can respond to environmental stimuli, including touch, making interactions feel incredibly lifelike. This raises an interesting question. As these robots become more human-like, how will they reshape the way we view relationships and emotional connections? Let's have a look at another wonder of Japan. Nicola is another robot developed by a team of researchers at the University of Tokyo. Up until now, we have heard of silicone skin used in robots to make them look like humans. But this robot has a real human living skin tissue. Yes, you heard it right. This skin almost behaves like real human skin. This skin is not made from any plastic silicone or any other chemical, but it is made from biological skin material. That's why this robot is able to show highly precise facial expressions like smiling, frowning, furrowing, and many others, moving the facial muscles naturally without any difficulty. The difference between this skin and the skin of other robots made from silicone can be seen clearly. Nicola's face has no rigidity for making several expressions as compared to silicone or other skins. This realism in facial features is important when the robot is used for tasks like teaching and communicating with others. This real skin has been made from collagen, which is a protein in human skin, for providing elasticity and strength. After introducing collagen gel on Nicola's face, researchers introduced dermofibroblasts, which are important for the healing process of the skin. These cells grow into proteins that provide structure to the skin. The list does not end here. Introduced in 2019, IDA is the first artificial intelligence AI-powered robot artist that is incredibly lifelike. Developed by Engineered Arts in the UK, IDA creates art instead of just copying it, blurring the lines between human and artificial creativity with her ability to paint, write poetry, and sketch portraits using cameras in her eyes and AI algorithms. Her abstract art is truly amazing and thought-provoking, and her work has sparked discussions about the role of AI in the creative process. Her ability to conduct research and produce creative artwork questions our conceptions of creativity and authorship and demonstrates how AI may support the arts in ways that go beyond its traditional applications. Ameca, created by Engineered Arts, is by far the most advanced robot after Sophia. It was introduced in 2021 and is renowned for its incredibly realistic facial expressions and smooth interactions. Ameca can make smooth hand gestures, see the outside world through camera lenses in its eyes, and react emotionally to people by imitating their speech. The development of robots that can blend in with human surroundings is greatly advanced by this one. Ameca has been displayed at various global events where she has been interviewed, and her response to all the questions posed by humans was simply excellent. Let us introduce you to Harmony 2.0, a real doll. The Real Doll Company is well known for creating dolls with lifelike features, and Harmony 2.0 goes beyond this concept. AI integration has made this doll extraordinary. She can communicate with her owner using the most recent AI technology, and her silicone skin is incredibly realistic and identical to human skin. The details of her features are astounding. In addition to her lifelike appearance, Harmony 2.0 is also appealing because of her AI brain, which allows her to have conversations like a partner. She can talk about a variety of subjects, recall previous interactions, and modify her response based on the owner's attitude. Despite being primarily intended as a personal companion, Harmony 2.0 shows how robots and artificial intelligence, AI, can produce incredibly sensitive and individualized interactions, making it difficult to distinguish between artificial intelligence and human connection. Is it worthwhile to hype up these humanoid robots? As demonstrated in Japan, where people purchase robots as friends to help them deal with loneliness. Will utilizing these robots make them feel less alone or more alone? According to the documentary Kodokushi, dying alone in Japan, people in Japan are now so alone that they have no one to turn to until they pass away. The problem is the subject of numerous documentaries. However, these robots and sex dolls are really making loneliness worse, even if individuals may be utilizing them to overcome it. So that's all for today's video. Which robot you might want to purchase in the future? Tell us your thoughts on ethical concerns and effects of living with humanoid robots in the future. If you have liked the video, subscribe the channel to have more fun with robo knowledge. Thanks for watching.